In today's tutorial, we will know how to create such complex wall frames. So first you have to draw a arc line like that, just bottom. And then here you have to, I'm moving with control key and then typing /4 to 4 number of copies between. Now you have to use a flip tool to flip this edges. Now select edges and scale it little bit like that. Select one by one and press S for a scale and select this string to scale it. Okay, now we have to select all 5 arc line, guys, and then here you have to use a Fredo curviloft plugin. Just click on a first option. Now click enter button to final result. Now select all the edges of this model. Okay, just select with control key. Now here you have to use JHS power bar line extrude option. Now here this line is extruded. Now I'm going outside, exploding this uh, model, because both model in a group. So just need to explode it just like that. Right click and select explode option. Now you have to select intersect option with model. Now here you have to delete all extra parts like this part. Just select and delete. Okay. Now here your model is solid. So your model is solid not. You have to check using a solid inspector plugin. Just click over here and fix it if have any problems. Okay, now select model, click over here, slicer tool, and then set the parameters like this. Okay, here I'm taking the spacing and the thickness like 8 mm spacing and 4 mm thickness, 4 centimeter thickness and 8 centimeter spacing. Now click OK button, and within a click the stunning wall frames like parametric will be done in a minute. If you really like my video, guys, please subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial.